I've got a real-world case study where 2 AI-enabled apps helped me launch my new business plan. Like a lot of people, doing a business plan is not so easy. I used this new app that I learned about from George Kao in the latest episode of Video Mojo called AskPi.com. The answers and responses that it gives are not dissimilar to ChatGPT, with one crucial difference: the voice.
The first step is to set up your outreach list in Hunter. Once you have your list of leads, you can start writing and personalizing your emails.
The responses come back to you as spoken word. I felt like I was having a real conversation with a consultant where I could ask questions, get feedback, modify directions. And then one of the breakthroughs that came out of the conversation was it turned me on to an application called Hunter. And it's an application for finding prospects, emails that I could feed into a sequence that I'm going to now use for outreach. I then moved into Notion, which is my favorite note-taking app, and used Notion AI to further brainstorm and do revision, drafting a cold email outreach, talking about what I do. I redefined my title. I'm now going to focus on video content strategist and producer, which more accurately defines what I'm doing. So I got more focused on who my ideal client is. I came up with an app for how I'm going to organize and get new leads. I figured out how I'm going to do the funnel, and I started to draft the email, all because I was playing with these new AI applications. I promise you, this progress would not have happened if I was not engaged with AI tools.